Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a 6-quart locking lid slow cooker by a company called Chefman. Now this is the unit right out of the box, and we're going to go over some of the features of this. As you can see, it has a switch in front with off and low and high and warm. So some recipes tell you to use the high for 4 to 6 hours, some say low. When the recipe is finished, you could just put it to the warm position and it'll keep it perfectly warm for you to eat later on. Now this is all stainless steel, the front, and has a locking lid. You just slide these tabs forward and this lid then locks it in place. This lid has a vent hole on there and a silicone seal all the way around, which is nice. Now included is an instruction manual that gives you information about this unit, and also when you purchase this you have access to the Chefman Club where you can get great recipes and tutorial videos on how to cook different things. Now slow cookers are unique because they have a heating element in the bottom, and the top portion is a ceramic holder, which is very solid. And the reason why they do it is because it has very even heat distribution. So nothing's going to burn in there or bubble away. And that's what you want. The slow cooker slow cooks the food very evenly. Now this thing is heavy, and that's very solid. So you see it's got the tabs built right into it right here. Now on the bottom of this, what goes is, on the bottom is the stainless steel portion and has an aluminum tub in there. And that's where the heating element is surrounded. And that's what's going to conduct heat up through that large ceramic top to cook the food that you have in there. Now looking on the bottom of this, I see that it has 3 rubber feet to stabilize it. And you can see also information about the wattage. It says 120 volts, 60 hertz, 230 watts. We're going to test that out when we plug this in with a watt meter. Now you also notice that it's UL listed, so you know that it's electrically very safe to use. The plug on here is a standard US 120 volt plug, and you'll notice one side is larger. So that is the neutral. So you want to plug it in the only way it'll fit on your US outlets. So this fits right back in there quite nicely. And then you have your top with the gaskets, and you can click this to allow it to be sealed. Now we're going to be doing a recipe for some vegetarian chili, and we're going to see how this works to cook that over a 6-hour period. Now this product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee from the seller Chefman and a full 1-year warranty. Now these handles on here are cool to the touch. That includes these ones and these ones on the base unit. So you have base unit handles, then you have the top handles also. Then you have a handle right here to lift that up. This top piece is Dishwasher-Safe, and this insert, the ceramic insert, is also Dishwasher-Safe, which is really nice. So let's take a look at the power consumption using a kilowatt meter. So on off, it's obviously 0. We're going to put it on watts here. Let's put it on low. So the low setting is 178 watts. Let's put it on high, 222 watts. And then the warm position should be the lowest, and that's 44.9 watts. So this is drawing a very small amount of energy, and if we put it on high, go to kilowatt hours, it's not even registering. So you're not going to have to worry about consuming a lot of energy running this thing for 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. So that shows you that the Chefman slow cooker is very efficient design. So we're going to give this a try and plug it in, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this recipe for this vegetarian chili. So I'm going to be making a recipe for some homemade vegetarian chili to test out the 6-quart slow cooker from Chefman. So the basic ingredients of this is about 2 cups of frozen corn, 1 large onion, some yellow, orange, and red pepper, about 2 stalks of celery, lots of fresh garlic, and 1 large zucchini. And this is a soy product, Morningstar Farms, 3 patties, and 4 links. You can also see I'm going to be using about 15.5 ounce can of black beans. You want to keep the juice, and a 28 ounce can of peeled diced tomatoes. In terms of the spices, I'm going to be using chili powder, crushed red pepper, cumin, cilantro, basil leaves, and oregano leaves. You want to dice these up till they're about 1/4 inch in size, and you're going to saute them in a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Don't overcook them, just get them a little bit seared so that the natural flavors come out. So here I am sauteing all the beautiful vegetables and those soy products and the garlic. Just beautiful colors, all healthy for you. So you don't want to overdo it, you just want to get everything a little lightly cooked. Now you can see it's just about ready. I'm going to add all the dry ingredients that I mentioned, and we're going to stir that around. And the tomatoes and the can of beans, we're going to add right into the Chefman slow cooker. So now we're going to assemble the recipe into the Chefman slow cooker. Now the can of beans we're going to put right in there, and we're going to keep all the liquid that is in the can and the full can of tomatoes, and we're going to keep all that liquid also in there. And then we have the vegetable mixture with the soy, and we're going to put that right in there, and we're going to just mix it around. Let's move this forward a little bit so we can see to incorporate all the different ingredients. You don't have to overdo it because it's going to be slow cooked for 6 hours. And you can see that it's about 55-60% filled to the top. So we are now going to put the cover on the slow cooker. We're going to lock it in place just like that. And we're going to put the unit on the low setting. And we're going to come back to it 6 hours later and see how it's doing. Okay, so it's been 6 hours and it's been on low, and I had it on warm for the last 15-20 minutes. So let's take a look at how it came out. So I have, you can see right here, it's thickened up and everything is all cooked really nicely. Let's put it on a plate. Look how nice and thick it got. So there you have it, total vegetarian chili. So what are my thoughts about the Chefman slow cooker? I really like this product. As you can see, it made beautiful vegetarian chili. It slow cooked it perfectly. I kept it on warm and I was able to eat it a little bit later. I like the fact that there's a dishwasher-safe, the top glass piece, the top portion where you put the food. That's really nice. The handles stay cool. There are just tons of recipes online for slow cookers. So you can make anything you see online with this slow cooker by Chefman. It's a really great product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell symbol so you're alerted when I upload new video reviews. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.